Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Yelp business management assets and reviews, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your Yelp business management assets and reviews, start by logging into your Yelp for Business account. Once logged in, navigate to the Yelp for Business dashboard. Locate the section labeled Reviews. Here, you will find all the reviews your business has received. To back up these reviews, you can copy and paste them into a document. Create a new document in your preferred word processor or spreadsheet application. Paste each review into the document along with the reviewer's name and date of the review. Repeat this process for all reviews you wish to keep. Next, move to the Photos section of your business profile. Download each photo individually by clicking on the image. Right-click on the image and select Save Image as to store it on your device. Ensure that you create a dedicated folder on your computer for easy access. Now, let's focus on your business information. Go to the Business Information section. Manually copy details such as your business name, address, phone number, and website. Paste this information into your backup document. After gathering all your assets and reviews, consider creating a backup on cloud storage. This provides an extra layer of security for your important information. Review your backup to ensure everything is documented accurately. Finally, regularly update your backup to include new reviews and assets. Following these steps will ensure you have a comprehensive backup of your Yelp business management assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.